You want, you can share your screen.
Been able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So good afternoon, everyone. So basically, what I'm going to talk in next 5 to 7 minutes is, our journey on the, like how we are going to have the pharma quality control lab, more automation through digitalization and automation. So recently, I read one very nice article published by McKinsey. The future of the pharma QC lab. Right? So I think this is the one of the slide I liked very well. And in fact, Dr. Reddy's, we are working on, in the similar manner. Like basically, this slide talks about three major horizons of lab evolution. So one is like, what is the digitally enabled labs, then automated labs, and distributed quality control. So here, my discussion is pure focusing on the quality control labs. Like when we say digitally enabled labs, like for example, at this point of time in the quality control, test execution is mostly 90% testing in the labs, and only some limited testing is done online. In a similar way, for the use of data and advanced technologies, we have almost, at Dr. Reddy's, we have eliminated a lot of manual paperwork. At least 80% we have, paperless now. So, for example, we have implemented laboratory information management systems in most of our quality control labs, and also we have done electronic lab notebook in our R&D labs. So, with that, we could able to achieve more than 80% paperless. And of course, we are, continuously working on the, building new capabilities, using the advanced IT systems. Our next target is, more and more automation in the labs, and future journey towards distribution quality control labs. That means that online real-time release testing. So, as I mentioned, in past few years, we have made a significant progress towards, basically we have done electronic batch records, then we have LIMS. As we have implemented LIMS, we have seen very good benefits. Like we eliminated a lot of manual work, we have reduced errors, we can able to get a lot of data, automatically. And when we are doing, I think people who are on this call maybe understand the difficulties and the data required, for doing a lot of investigations. So when we do investigations, it takes a lot of time. So with the data availability through LIMS and all, I think we can definitely, the productivity and the investigation time can be, can be minimized, and we can do the investigations more effectively with the data available online. And not only so, when we do a lot of analysis, we create a lot of data that will be captured through LIMS, and all our chromatographic data systems are connected to LIMS. And then, in fact, when we do the verification of the data also, so a lot of manual, interventions and all, we would like to reduce. And robotic process automation during our chromatographic data systems. This is really helping us in minimizing a lot of manual efforts during data verification. So basically, the robotic process automation helps in, like, for example, in the during FDA inspections, if there are unprocessed chromatograms, any unprocessed sequences or any, missing checks, those things, all this RPA tool is helping us to, check automatically. But in future, I think we also have a lot of plans to use a lot of artificial intelligence tools, and we are working on the process analytical technologies, and so that we will, in future, we will have real-time release testing. And so this is the one of the thing. And so as I mentioned, I think what we have seen is like when we have put this LIMS and all, we could see definitely benefits, like in the chemical QC lab, our costs have been reduced to 25 to 45%, and micro lab to 15 to 30%. We have seen the reduction in the cost, and definitely we have seen a significant improvement in the productivity, and we have seen 80% elimination of the manual work. We have seen, And in terms of the some automation in the labs, we have already initiated, like especially in the analytical method transfer, included some automation tools. Like, we do the method transfers from different, like from Hyderabad side to, for example, Vizag side. We do through using some digital technologies, using the, like demonstration using the digital technologies. So that we have made some good efforts in that. I think this COVID situation has really prompted us. Earlier, for each and every method transfer, people used to travel. That now we have minimized, and mostly even the method transfer, the demonstration of the sample preparations, everything through video, and we are doing through using some digital. So these are the few things we have implemented, and definitely our company is heavily investing in the digital technologies. And in next 3 to 5 years, our aspiration is to move from now currently digital enabled labs to automated labs, and finally to distributed quality control, wherein 80 to 100% online real-time testing and also review by exceptions. Thank you so much.